Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to record screen using free softwares. So we have VLC media player. So the first step, click on media, then click on open capture devices. Now click on capture device and select desktop. So you need to select capture mode. After that, from here you can change your frame rate, and these are the more options. You can explore this. After that, simply click here and select convert. From here you can change the extensions. So firstly we can select mp4 file. After that you can choose the destination to save the recorded files, mp4 files. So I have just created a folder and there we go. After that, simply click on start. Simply just minimize this, and now our recordings just started. So do some moves on your desktop. For example, I am searching file manager from the search bar. I'm opening it. After that, close this. Now let's check. So to pause screen recording, simply close this VLC player, and now you can open this file, select VLC media player and click on OK. Now you can see the recorded file here. Okay, all done. So that's it guys, your problem is solved, you are good to go.